So in my last video, I mentioned having a phobia of bugs. So I'm gonna talk about that here, so yeah. Okay, so every time I see a bug, I get really anxious and I get scared to even kill them. Not because I feel bad, but because I'm scared that I won't kill it properly and it will start coming towards me. I don't know if this makes sense, but yeah, like, it doesn't matter the size of the bug, I will still get scared of it. And I guess what scares me the most is the thought that they can get in from anywhere and I won't see it and it will either crawl on me in my sleep or I will accidentally step on it. My biggest fear, though, is spiders. It actually got to a point where I started getting panic attacks each time I would see one in my room or in the house. Because I always think there's more somewhere else. But I don't know if this is a phobia or something else. Loon out.